Hello and welcome to our channel Technical Pro, the best of technology right here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to make intros for YouTube by using Canva website. So here we are on canva.com and I'm going to create a design by selecting YouTube intros. There are so many templates available and I'm going to use one of these templates. I am searching for video editing course and I got my template here. First of all, I'm going to delete all the unnecessary items and detach all the images which I'm not going to use. I've uploaded a video from the Canva video library and I have set this video as a background. I'm going to reduce the transparency to 40 and now I'm going to detach these images as well. In these frames, I'm going to place my logo, that is for Next Level Promotion and for Technical Pro, because this course is brought to you by Next Level Promotion and Technical Pro. So here we are. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the text and delete all the unnecessary items. Okay. So now we are changing our text. How to create YouTube intros. Now I'm going to change the bottom text as well. A course by Next Level Promotion and Technical Pro. You can create your own design as well, or you can use their templates as well. It's totally up to you. Yeah, that looks perfect now. I'm going to group this so I can easily move. Now I'm going to search for the YouTube icon in the element section of Canva. So here I got my YouTube icon. Okay. Now I'm going to place it in the center. You see these purple lines, these are the indicators and they guide you to place your elements on the canvas. I'm going to add a subscribe button here and that looks fine. Now I'm going to apply animations to individual elements. You can apply animations to the overall page as well and to the individual elements. It's totally up to you. Here in this video, I have applied different animations to different elements. Now I'm going to the audio section and I'm going to upload audio. I've already uploaded my audio in the upload section. You can use the audios from the Canva as well. Now I think that this video is too long. I'm going to change the duration to 6 seconds. And you see when I change the duration of my video, the audio duration also changes. Now here I'm going to rename my video and it's done. Let's see. Oh yes, it looks perfect. You can download your video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.